Hello, today I'm going to show you how to assemble a teardrop banner. So first of all we're going to put I'm going to put the base together, so with the little indent one that goes on the bottom and then the other one goes on the top, sort of lining up that hole in the middle, and get this that piece with your three nuts and washers, and with the threaded end feed that through the hole there, spin it over, and then put on the washer first, the spring washer, and then the nut, and just do that up finger tight. Move the leg around so it's in it's perpendicular, it's at right angles, and then just with that little spanner, that little wrench, just tighten that up, give that a few turns to make that nice and tight, and then spin it over. Okay, so the next step is to get the poles, and to get the thinnest pole, because that's going to be a top pole. Grab that one first, and the black end has to go inside the banner, and that's the silver piece is the piece that connects into the next pole. So grab the banner, banner there, and feed that thinnest pole into that sleeve of the banner, and just make sure that you don't push the banner sleeve over that silver end on that thinnest pole, and just concertina up the banner then, so that little thin pole goes right to the end of that black sleeve. Push it a little bit further, a little bit fiddly, so it's right there at that black knob is right there at the end, and then make sure that you've still got the silver part of that pole outside the banner. And the next step then is just to grab the largest pole and push that onto the base, and then get the middle-sized pole and connect that up with the smallest pole, which has got the banner concertinaed onto it, and then lift that up, and then put the end of the middle-sized pole onto the largest pole. So all three poles there are now connected together. Then finally, just reach up, and pull down on the banner. You pull down on the banner, get that little plastic piece with the wing nut, loop the end of the banner onto that, push it down with one hand, and tighten up the wing nut with the other hand. And there we go. The teardrop banner has been fully assembled. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.